The TUMAN Pro 6.5-inch coaxial car speakers deliver a noticeable upgrade in clarity and detail over typical factory speakers, especially for everyday music listening. With a claimed 500-watt peak handling for the pair, they have enough headroom to play loudly without easily distorting when properly powered. The four-way design, combining a dedicated woofer with multiple mylar tweeters, helps separate bass, midrange, and treble, so vocals and instruments sound more defined. Their frequency response that reaches from roughly deep mid-bass into the upper treble range gives a fuller, more balanced presentation than many basic two-way replacements. A relatively shallow mounting depth and common 6.5-inch cutout size make them compatible with a wide range of vehicles without complicated modifications. Build details like the injection-molded woofer cone and heat-resistant voice coil suggest solid durability for daily driving and long listening sessions.